How to upload Reels on Facebook. Facebook Reels lets you share short vertical videos with music, text, and effects. And here's how to upload them step by step. So first, go ahead and open up your Facebook account, head over to your profile, head over and do the Reels tab, and then click on this Create Reel button. And then from here, go ahead and select a video that you want to post on your Facebook account. So it could be any video that you can find and available on your local drive. So once you have selected the video, click on it and that will take you here. So from here, you can add more of the specific things you can find in here under the tool section. So you can add audio, you can edit the video, add effects, text, and stickers. And once you're done with that, you can click on this next button and then add your caption in here, and then set the audience for this video, change the cover of the reel, share your video to your story. And once you're done, click on the share now button to simply post this and upload this as a reel for your Facebook account. And that is how to upload reels on Facebook.